The British Army's modernisation of its armoured forces received a significant leap forward with the recent update on the Challenger 3 Main Battle Tank (MBT) program. As revealed in a statement by Defence Representative Maria Eagle, 4 prototypes of the Challenger 3 have already been delivered, with an additional 4 units in production. This is a major step in revamping the UK's tank fleet, which plays a crucial role in the Army's broader strategic efforts. The Challenger 3 tank is a part of the UK's Armour Main Battle Tank initiative, designed to replace the aging Challenger 2 tanks, which are increasingly insufficient for modern high-intensity warfare. Despite numerous upgrades, the Challenger 2's capabilities no longer meet the evolving demands of today's battlefields. The new Challenger 3, slated for full service by 2027, will be integral to the future of British armoured operations. Early trials of the prototypes have demonstrated promising results. Initial assessments of the tank's firing capabilities, mechanical reliability, and durability have been successfully completed. The next phase of trials, set to begin in mid-2025, will focus on more advanced features, such as fire control systems, mobility across challenging terrain, and overall battlefield survivability in complex operational conditions. The British Army plans to acquire a fleet of 148 Challenger 3 tanks, produced by a joint venture between UK-based BAE Systems and Germany's Rheinmetall. This production involves modernizing existing Challenger 2 tanks to the Challenger 3 standard. Although the total number of tanks will be lower than previous fleets, the upgraded capabilities of the Challenger 3 are expected to provide greater effectiveness in contemporary military operations. One of the most significant improvements in the Challenger 3 is the introduction of a NATO standard 120mm L55A1 smoothbore cannon, replacing the Challenger 2's rifled 120mm gun. This change enhances the tank's ability to fire a wider range of modern munitions, such as advanced kinetic energy penetrators and programmable airburst rounds. This shift aligns the Challenger 3 with NATO interoperability standards, ensuring easier integration with Allied forces. Further upgrading the tank's firepower is the new turret, equipped with advanced electro-optical sights, a next-generation digital fire control system, and upgraded sensors. These features will allow the Challenger 3 to engage targets faster and with greater accuracy, even in challenging environments. The platform's electronic architecture has also been redesigned, positioning it for future battlefield technologies, including AI-driven systems and sensor fusion. In terms of protection, the Challenger 3 incorporates a modular armor suite that combines both passive and reactive technologies. This armor provides improved defense against modern anti-tank weapons, such as tandem warhead missiles and top-attack munitions. The program is also exploring the integration of an active protection system, APS, designed to intercept incoming projectiles before they can strike. Mobility is another key area of enhancement. The Challenger 3 features an upgraded power pack and improved suspension systems, ensuring better performance across various terrains. Additionally, the internal design has been revamped to improve crew ergonomics and overall survivability, with better situational awareness tools and next-generation communication systems for easier coordination within a digitally integrated combat unit. A significant component of the Challenger 3 program is the collaborative development of enhanced kinetic energy, EKE, ammunition with Germany. This ammunition is intended to provide superior armor penetration, outpacing older munitions in both effectiveness and consistency. The cooperation between the British and German defence industries highlights the growing strength of their defence partnership, which is central to the tank's capabilities. The Challenger 3's development is a testament to the UK's commitment to maintaining a cutting-edge armoured force. As part of a broader modernisation plan, it will play a pivotal role in enhancing the British Army's ability to deter adversaries and integrate seamlessly with NATO's high-readiness forces. With its advanced technologies and strategic importance, the Challenger 3 is set to become the most advanced tank in British service, marking a new era of armoured warfare for the UK.